I know people who start a DIY project all the time, and guess what? They started it last year and it's still going 6 months later. We're a great blend of a small business based here on the Front Range with professional, high-grade services. We partner with the best brands, Pella and James Hardie, and with that comes a quality install to the best practices. We're not any chuck in a truck. We show up, we're gonna communicate and pursue excellence as our company values. Improper installation technique can lead to incredible, scary results. You could get water behind the walls, you can get water at the openings. We practice and engage with James Hardie best practices. At every penetration, we do blocking and flashing. We do flashing at everything to grade, and you'll see that we use high quality products like OSI Quad Max caulking and Sherwin-Williams duration paint. Try to install your own siding or hire someone who is not qualified to do so. This could cause long-term structural damage with moisture getting behind the walls. If you were to install the siding and you don't know how to do it, you could void your own warranty. So the investment you're making on the materials could be voided immediately with improper installation practices. Many times when you're doing a DIY fix, the initial fix becomes the problem, and you're gonna have to come in and bring a professional to fix what you originally did. It's important to just go ahead and pursue excellence at the first try. One of the things we do is we measure twice and cut once.